Hello everyone. Let's see how you can detect suspicious software installations on the network with Log360. Unauthorized software installations are extremely suspicious events that require the system administrator's attention. This is because attackers often trick users into downloading malicious software onto their systems, which can then aid the attacker in launching an attack. Here's why detecting and containing unauthorized suspicious software installations is critical. Suspicious software installations are often used for multiple malicious goals. They can serve as a medium for malware that can launch and propagate large scale attacks like ransomware in the network. They can also be used to exfiltrate data or cause system and server crashes. This is usually the case with malicious software that propagates DDoS attacks in the network. This software makes it difficult for the organization's employees and clients to access critical services and information that lead to business interruption. Furthermore, malicious software can also give an attacker full access and control over a system and can aid the attacker in wreaking havoc on the network. Here are some common attack vectors for suspicious software to infiltrate the network. Unauthorized and suspicious software can enter a network through phishing or social engineering tactics, where users are tricked into installing remote access software. This software grants attackers control over the user's device. Alternatively, if an attacker has already gained access to the network, they might directly install the malicious software. To conceal their activities and avoid detection, attackers often use a VPN to mask their IP address. This VPN helps them evade network monitoring and security measures while they deploy the malicious software or manage the remote access tools. Users might also fall for fake pop ups or notifications, claiming that their software is out of date and needs an update. Clicking on this can lead to the installation of malware. Sometimes, malicious insiders can plug in an infected USB drive to install malicious software on the device automatically. Also, malware can be bundled with legitimate software. When the software is downloaded and installed, the malware gets installed along with it. Drive-by downloads trick users into visiting a compromised website, resulting in malicious software being downloaded and installed without the user's knowledge. Attackers could go about installing unauthorized software on devices through multiple ways. One way could be attackers may first attempt to access an organization's network remotely through a VPN. They often use automated tools to brute force their way into the VPN, gaining entry to the entire network. Once inside, the attacker targets user or device accounts, seeking out weaknesses and vulnerabilities. They may employ brute force techniques or credential theft methods to log on to the devices. After successfully gaining access, the attackers may take a remote session on other machines before they proceed to install malicious software on the compromised devices. Let's see how Log360 detects suspicious software installations. Once you log into the solution, you can navigate to the SIM module or the Event Logged Analyzer module and then to the Correlation tab at the top. On the left, you can view all predefined correlation reports. In the search bar, you can look for the Suspicious Software Installations report. This shows you all instances of suspicious software installations on the network. We will come back to examine this information in more detail in just a moment. Let's first understand how Log360 detected this threat. Log360 comes with predefined rules which look for a set of events that occur sequentially and indicate a possible threat. To understand how this rule is configured, navigate to Manage Rule and look for the name of the rule in the search bar. This pulls up the pre-configured detection rule to detect software installations. By clicking on Copy Correlation Rule, you can view how this rule is configured. As you can see, the rule is triggered when the following actions take place in a sequence. There are 5 failed logons within 10 minutes to connect to the network through the VPN by a particular user account on a particular device. This is followed by the same user account successfully logging into the same device through the VPN within the next 2 minutes. Within another short duration of 15 minutes, there is a logon registered on a Windows device from the same user account and the private IP address associated with the VPN login. If within the next 30 minutes, the user and device associated with the previous actions performs a software installation, the whole series of actions is treated as a suspicious and will need further investigation. We can now return to the pre-built report in Log360. Here you can view all events where suspicious software installations happened. Clicking on Event Timeline allows you to view the series of software installations. By clicking on Details, you can refer to the message field to understand additional details about the software that was installed. This will provide some insight into what the attacker was trying to do on the network. Now, here are some next steps to take if you notice suspicious software installations. Check if the suspicious software has spread to other devices or systems in the network. Disconnect the affected device from the network to prevent further spread of the malware and to protect other systems. You can use Log360 SOAR capabilities to automate the disabling of affected user accounts and devices. Use network security tools to block any communication to and from known malicious IP addresses or domains associated with the suspicious software. Restore the affected device to a clean state, either from a known good backup or by performing a clean operating system installation if necessary. After removal, continue monitoring the device and network for any signs of residual issues or infection. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, you can send us an email at log360-support@manageengine.com. You can also download a free version of a solution at the link provided. At no cost and zero risk, you can try Log360 in your environment for 30 days.